Hey, Brian on ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. I'm doing more videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And these are a new series of cars that I got from Scalextric. We now have Scalextric cars, and I'm buying cars that, these cars that I'm going to be showing you are great for clubs and just general racing because they're a really nice, high-quality car. If you want to key in on it. This is the item number C3949 Chevrolet Monte Carlo number 93. And these are kind of a knockoff NASCAR. See, to get the prices down, they didn't want to have to pay the NASCAR license. So you don't have to worry about, and so they just do a generic livery. You know, with the, this is just generic. It's not a Dale Earnhardt or anything like this, but it's just a generic car. Nice, solid construction, so it's going to last a long time. Notice it's nice rubber tires, a swivel, plus you get 2 extra guide blades, okay, inside your kit. Plus it's a, so here, let's take this apart, show you what it looks like first. Okay, so you know what you're getting, but it's just that you're going to be really amazed because this is just a standard, typical Slotcar chassis. Always never unscrew one screw completely. And of course, I didn't unscrew 2 of them completely. Well, I had the 3rd one completely. Oh, come on. For the love of Mike. Okay, so this is the interior of the car. As you can see, it's just a standard chassis. You got your Mabuchi motor, nice pinion gear system, and then you have your guide blade connection here. And then this is all for the digital, which we're going to be selling digital now, the Scalextric digital, and we're going to be doing videos on that over the next couple weeks. Okay, so you want to make sure that that's what this little panel is, to digitize this car, which I'm going to go into that completely later. But I just wanted to show you. So let's kind of do a test on the SCX track, because don't forget, SCX and Scalextric used to be one company back in the 70s. We're going to have the converter track now with Scalextric, that you'll be able to connect Scalextric track versus SCX track and the new sport track with the old track. It's really amazing. I'm going to show you that in a couple weeks, where you can connect all the systems to one track. Oh, wow. Wow. Did you hear that? Yeah. How quiet that is?
Yeah. Fast and smooth.
That is really smooth. Look at that. Ooh, let's... Holy cow, that oil kind of slew up. And the magnets, you got 2 magnets right here. Check out the magnets right here. Okay, and they give a nice pull down to the car. Ooh, wow, that really pulls down. Okay, so let's put the body on just to see what it looks like on a nice ride through. Now, if you want to kind of do, he kind of does shots of it. Oh, that kind of fell off. So let's screw that body back on. So, so these are a series of 4 cars, about 6 cars, or 7. And we're going to be getting the whole series of Scalextric cars. We're going to get them all. So, of course, I got that backwards. So, figures, I got that backwards. And we have the Scalextric sets, too. We're going to be carrying the Scalextric. We'll be doing on those videos soon here. See what's really cool? You get 2 extra guide blades. Wow, that is really nice. Now, see, what's nice about these too is that you could do your own decoing, okay? You could spray it with a off-white and then do your own decoing. Get your own stickers. You can get all of these, notice the decoing on it. You can get all your, plus it's got a nice guy inside. So the detail is nice on these cars because these are entry-level cars. These are not their high-end, okay? And that's what's really nice about these Scalextric in the box. Plus, they're in a box. Okay, so they save on packaging, so they can get you. We'll be doing videos on those. So this is the first card. This is a Monte Carlo, Ford Monte Carlo. Chevrolet Monte Carlo number 93, SC3949. This is BC, ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com.